Hello everyone, Antonio Borrell here with you once again, and today we will talk a little bit about 3D modeling for the area of products and packaging. For you that are working in the area of product manufacturing, who develops product design projects, and who need 3D printing for a presentation or prototyping of your project, or just need to do a virtual presentation and be able to see the final result of your project, I'll come to show you what I can do for you to help with this production through my work as a 3D modeler. For this, I brought to you the example of this bottle of olive oil that was modeled with the smallest details according to what was presented by the client to make the project. From the label, the shape of the bottle, what type of seal to use, all these studies were passed and presented in this 3D modeling. Once this part is over, comes the rendering part of the project, so that it can be viewed as a photo. After rendering, you have a better idea how the project will be. It's like coming to life, and now I'm going to start rendering, and I'll jump to the final rendering result and show you how this result and the result of this whole process can be used not only in marketing but in the final sampling before production. This is the end result of the rendering. The whole point of this process is also to allow you to do a final product analysis before you even produce. In this example, only one view has been rendered, but any view can go through the same process, okay? And as an example of what can be done after rendering, I have assembled the rendered model with a photo, so the customer can get a sense of how their product will look in the real world. So that's it, guys. This is the meaning, this is the purpose of this work, and if you need this kind of work, please contact me. All my contacts are in the description of the video, okay? Be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell, guys, to receive the notification about us. Okay, big hug. See you in the next video. Take care, people.